20 Eliminating toxicity from my life. Affirmations. I have the right to my emotions. I do not need to justify myself or fear judgment. I am valid and I am valuable. I am stronger than people think I am, and that makes me a powerful force. I am in charge of my experience. I am in charge of my life. I can deal with anything and walk away with a positive experience. I do not need to subject myself to the toxic criticism of others. I do not need to subject myself to the toxic opinions of others. I do not need to control others. I cannot control others, nor do they control me. I do not need to put up with the negativity of others. I am perfect as I am, and I don't need someone else to validate me. I release myself from the expectations of others and choose to live the life I dream of. Their damage is not my damage. I release my fears of being imperfect. I am good enough as I am. I am breaking free from the negative patterns I have followed. I am letting go of the toxic people and clearing my spirit of the burdens they brought. This experience will help me grow. Forgiveness is a gift that I give to myself. I choose to move forward in forgiveness and move beyond the pain and toxicity. I refuse to allow toxic people any space in my life. I will make peace with the people who have done me wrong and let go of the anger and hurt.